Looking for the best 3D printer in 2026? Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional, choosing the right machine can be overwhelming with so many options available. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026, focusing on speed, precision, multicolor capabilities, and overall value for money. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last one might be perfect for your setup. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. FlashForge AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. The FlashForge AD5X is a high-speed CoreXY 3D printer capable of reaching up to 600 mm per second. It features a 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, multicolor printing support, and a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume. This printer is designed for users who want both speed and precision. The CoreXY system ensures stable and fast movement, while the multicolor capability makes it ideal for creative projects. The one-click auto-leveling makes setup extremely easy, even for beginners. Pros: ultra-fast 600 mm per second printing. Multicolor printing support. Easy auto-leveling system. High-temperature extruder for advanced materials. Cons: build volume is moderate. May require fine-tuning for complex multicolor prints. Number 2. Official Creality K2 Combo 3D Printer. The Creality K2 Combo features multicolor printing with CFS, 600 mm per second speed, a 300 degrees Celsius extruder, and an enclosed chamber with an AI camera. It offers a build size of approximately 260 mm3. This is a powerhouse machine packed with smart features. The AI camera helps detect print failures, and the enclosed design improves print quality, especially with advanced filaments. It's ideal for serious creators and professionals. Pros: AI camera for monitoring. Enclosed chamber for better print quality. Multicolor system included. Large build volume. Cons: slightly complex for beginners. Number 3. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. This printer offers 600 mm per second speed, a 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, CoreXY structure, and a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build area with a quick detachable nozzle system. The Adventurer 5M Pro is perfect for users who want reliability and ease of use. This quick setup and detachable nozzle make maintenance simple. While it doesn't focus heavily on multicolor printing, it excels in consistent performance. Pros: easy setup and maintenance. High-speed printing. Durable all-metal structure. Reliable performance. Cons: limited multicolor capabilities. Slightly lower maximum temperature than competitors. Number 4. Creality K2 Combo Dual AI Camera Version. This upgraded version of the K2 Combo includes dual AI cameras, multicolor printing, 600 mm per second speed, a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle, and a larger 260 by 260 by 260 mm build volume. If you want the most advanced features, this model stands out. The dual AI cameras offer better monitoring and failure detection, while the larger build volume gives more flexibility for bigger projects. Pros: dual AI camera system. Large build volume. Multicolor printing. High-speed performance. Cons: requires space and setup time. Number 5. Creality K2SE Combo 3D Printer. The K2SE Combo supports multicolor printing, offers 500 mm per second speed, auto-leveling, and comes fully assembled with a solid metal frame. This is a great option for beginners or those who want a hassle-free experience. It's slightly slower than others on this list, but still very capable. The pre-assembled design means you can start printing right out of the box. Pros: beginner-friendly. Fully assembled. Solid build quality. Multicolor support. Cons: slower than premium models. Smaller feature set compared to higher-end versions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Links to all the products are in the description below. See you in the next video.